Open GCash. Enter password. Open pay bills. Go to telecoms. Select PLDT. Input account number. Go to message and open PLDT. You will see your account number and telephone number in PLDT message. Just copy or type your account and telephone number. Input here. Because I already paid my bill last month, my account number will automatically appear on my screen. Double check if the number you input is incorrect. Next is your telephone number. Same as you input your account number. Double check if the number You can also check the date when you paid your bill, and the same day of your confirmation. Thank you for watching guys, hope to see you on my next tutorial. This is Jefferson Bassett.